Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publisher video session. Before starting the session, dear children, you must have with you your grade 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, inexhaustible patience and mercy. Essay laws of this session are mentioned here. Change the number of regular and irregular nouns and nouns with number no change in number. Recognize and demonstrate use of words that have only plural form. Our topic is irregular nouns. If you look at the page number 14, you will find it. An irregular plural noun is an irregular noun in the plural form. An irregular noun is a noun that becomes plural by changing its spelling in other ways than adding s or es to the end of the word. Let me give you an example of irregular noun. This is a word woman. How we will make it plural? Yes, we will not add any s or es at the end. We will write like this. Look, see the difference. In the singular form, it has only a, and in the plural form, we have added e. So, we didn't add any es or s to make it plural. Look at the exercise here. Choose the correct irregular plural form for the following. Okay. First one is, what is the plural form of child? I hope you have heard this. Children. Look at the second one. What is the plural form of mouse? Yes, mice. Look at the third one. What is the plural form of goose? Yes, geese. Look at the fourth one. What is the plural form of man? Yes, man. Look at the fifth one. What is the plural form of foot? Feet. Now, choose the correct irregular singular form of the following. We have 5 plural forms are given here, and for each word we have given 4 options. You have to choose the right option. Here the words in bold are plural. We have to choose singular, right singular option for them. Look at the first one. What is the singular form of woman? Yes, women. This one. What is the singular form of people? Yes, person. Look at the third one. What is the singular form of teeth? Tooth. What is the singular form of man? Yes, man. Look at the fifth one. What is the singular form of blouse? Yes, lice. Nouns with no change in number. Some nouns are used as singular as well as plural. For example, deer, fish, offspring. Deer are easy prey for wolves. 3 fish swim in the fish tank. The fox gave birth to 5 offspring. It can be used singular and plural both. Now let's move to our listening and speaking section. But it says, practice dialogue on shopping with nouns that are written in plural form but are singular. Trousers, shoes, sunglasses, jeans, scissor. Here the shoes are 2, but we will consider it as a pair of shoes because it will be considered one pair of shoes. Pair of trousers, pair of spectacles, pair of scissor, pair of jeans, pair of sunglasses, pair of shoes, pair of trousers. Some nouns are used only in the plural form. these are mentioned here. We cannot use it in a singular, like scissors, drawers, tidings, rich, mumps, measles. So, dear student, what you need to do, you have to practice a dialogue. You can practice this dialogue at your home with your siblings, your friends, with your parents too. On the given plural forms, here you can look at this dialogue too. There is a one boy and there is a one girl who are brother sister. They are siblings. They are having a conversation, having a dialogue, and they are discussing something. They are having shopping. Now, dear student, this is your homework from your summer pack. What you need to do, write an essay on the following topic and tell from which essay this question has been taken. Gardening. Yes, this is a writing task, an essay writing. You need to write about gardening. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? कुछ इरेगुलर नाउन्स जो होते हैं, इसमें हम एस और ई एस आखिर में ऐड करके प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज नहीं कर सकते. उसमें हमें कोई दूसरे चेंजेस करने पड़ते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया वुमेन, विमेन, सिर्फ हमने इसमें ए और ई का इजाफा किया, चेंजेस किए. इसके बाद आप देख सकते हैं कि चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन, माउस, माइस, गूज, गीज, मैन, मैन, फूड, फीट. इसके बाद कुछ ऐसे प्लूरल भी हैं जिनमें हम चेंजेस के बगैर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. वो एज अ सिंगुलर भी यूज होते हैं और प्लूरल भी यूज होते हैं, जैसे कि डियर, फिश, ऑफ स्प्रिंग. इसके बाद जो है हमने दिए गए हुए प्लूरल फॉर्म्स पे क्या करना है, डायलॉग प्रैक्टिस करना है शॉपिंग के हवाले से. तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि डियर स्टूडेंट आप जो है ये अपना काम ज़रूर करेंगे. इसके बाद समर पैक से आपका होमवर्क है, गार्डनिंग पे आपने ऐसे लिखना है. गार्डनिंग पे आप फूलों और पौधों का अगर लगाने का आपको शौक है तो आप जो है ये अपने पेरेंट्स की मदद से ये ऐसे बहुत अच्छी तरह लिख सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपने मेरा लेसन एंजॉय किया होगा. थैंक यू.